This has got to be the prettiest Burr basket I have seen. Hi girlies, welcome back to today's video and welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, hello. My name is Fabiola. I love creating all kinds of pink, girly, and decor kind of videos. If that's something you like and are into, go ahead, click the subscribe button down below, push the bell notification, and follow me on my Instagram. So as you can see from today's title, I am going to be unboxing a winter Burr basket, but it's not any kind of basket. It's actually a very special one. It's my birthday winter Burr basket, and this was actually sent by my bestest friend, Janine. I am so excited to see what she sent out. She's always thinking about me and sending me little gifts here and there, especially on my birthday, which is so special. The mailman delivered it in this humongous box and I could not believe it. It was so big. I opened it up and it was packed with a bunch of like bubble wrap just to make sure everything stayed in place, and it actually did. I took it out and it's a beautiful pink girly Burr basket. I am so lucky to have such an amazing, incredible friend like her. Actually, I wouldn't even say lucky. I would say blessed. I am so blessed to have her. Janine has always been there for me. We always call each other. We always share and inspire each other. Anytime I'm out shopping or she's shopping, we're always texting back and forth and showing what there is in our stores. And it's just so special to have such an incredible friend. She's truly one of a kind, and I am just so blessed to have such an incredible ride or die best friend. So let me go ahead and show you what she got me. This has got to be the prettiest Burr basket I have seen, and I am in shock. I am speechless with all this adorable and most beautiful things inside. Check it out. Look at all this. Gorgeous. So much pink, so much girly things. I can't wait to dig in there. Bestie, this is absolutely beautiful. I don't even know how you were able to package everything so good to the point that nothing moved. That's how it felt when I took it out of the box. It was almost kind of like somebody just hand delivered me this gorgeous basket. Tell me this is not the prettiest and girliest winter Burr basket you've seen. So the first thing I see in here is a hand cream, and this is adorable. This is from the Wicked movie. I'm actually going to put some in my hands right now because my hands are so dry. They almost look like crocodile hands. Oh, this smells so good. It smells like strawberries and cream. The next thing I have in here are these adorable straw toppers. Oh my goodness, these are gorgeous. Wow, these are absolutely beautiful. Look how cute they are. There's like little gingerbread, and there's two different kinds, and then there's like a little gingerbread house in the bottom. She literally always finds the cutest things. The next thing in here are these scrunchies. These are so pretty, from the Wicked movie. Sparkly one, the satin green one, another fuzzy one, and then the sequin one. Check this one out. This is gorgeous. It is a little tree ornament, and it is in the shape of a purse. A sequin purse with a little gold chain. Check it out, how adorable this is. I am definitely going to put this in my pink Christmas tree once I have it up. And there is another ornament. Okay, this is by far the cutest thing I've seen. It's a heel and it has sequins inside and it's pink. Okay, this is so girly. Absolutely love this. There's also another little bow ornament. I am definitely going to add all of these to my pink tree. And then there's also a strawberry scented face mask. This has to smell incredible, just like the hand lotion. Look how pretty this is. This is from the movie Wicked as well. There's a little box in here. It says Juicy Couture. This is beautiful. Wow, this is so pretty. It's a charm bracelet and it is absolutely stunning. It has little hearts and pink and it's gold. This is so beautiful. I am obsessed with this bracelet. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, bestie. Next in here, there is, what is this? A Patrick Ta eyeshadow palette for the eyes. And look how gorgeous she wrapped everything up. Ooh, this is so luxurious. This is my first Patrick Ta. I don't have anything from this brand. Look at the colors. Wow, these are beautiful. I'm in love with these shadows. Wow, they're beautiful. There's also a blush. This one is Soft Pinch Dewy Liquid Blush from Rare Beauty in the shade Happy. Okay, this looks so pretty. Oh, this is stunning. Look how beautiful. It's in that perfect shade of pink. And I love these blushes because you only need a tiny bit and then you blend it out. Check out this gorgeous shade. Me and my bestie are always talking about Rare Beauty. It is one of our favorite brands. And she actually recommended the Rare perfume. And because of her, I got it. And I was in love with it. So thank you so much, bestie. This is such a beautiful shade. There's also this gorgeous Chanel sign. I am definitely going to add this to the back right there because it is gorgeous. I have not seen this anywhere. And it is so pretty. And it has this kind of like a gloss to it. It is beautiful. She sent me a Pop Mart Hassie Poo Poo. This one is the Constellation, and she told me she was going to send this out, and I can't believe I actually have one. I don't have any of these. We're definitely going to open this one right now. This one here is the Sagittarius one. She did tell me she was going to send it to me because it is my birthday. All right, I'm going to close my eyes. Oh, it is so pretty. It's the Sagittarius one. This is absolutely adorable. It's a little keychain and it even has the Sagittarius sign on the back and the front. It is adorable. This is like so cute. I am obsessed. Thank you so much, bestie. I can't believe I have one of these. It is so pretty. I can't wait to add this to one of my handbags. There's also this little bag right here. And these are, ooh, these are gorgeous. There's two of them inside. Wow, these are absolutely beautiful. These are definitely going to go on my Christmas tree. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to decorate it. Look how pretty these are. So fancy. I am obsessed. These are stunning. There's also another ornament. Ooh, check this one out. This is so pretty. It is so pink. It has feathers. It's fluffy. It's pink. It's going to look gorgeous in my tree. Also in here, there is this beautiful top right here with a bow. Look how pretty. This is gorgeous. Oh, this is so soft. Oh, and I love the fact that it has like a little bow in here on the side so you can kind of like cinch it in. It is beautiful and I love that it has the pink bow in the middle, like so coquette. I am obsessed with this. There's also this beautiful sweater top. It is so pretty. It's so soft. And I love the fact that it has this like detail on the sleeve that almost looks kind of like those bubble sleeves on the top. But it is gorgeous. This is going to look so pretty with some like pink pants or some jeans. Absolutely adore this top. The last two things in my basket are these lip masks. These are so cute. I definitely have to have like a girly spa day one of these days because now I have the face mask and the lip masks. those were all the incredible things that I got inside my winter Burr basket. Can't wait just to start using my blush, my eyeshadow palette, and all the goodies that my bestie Janine sent me. I really hope you guys loved today's video. Bestie, thank you so much for all these incredible goodies for my birthday. You are literally the best. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.